Now Izzy's eating it like a taco. Is this making anyone else sick? This was a ball. Now it looks like a fortune cookie. Oh, Izzy. Oh, I think you broke it, Izzy. You did it. You ate the squeaker out. That's your favorite thing to do. Oh my gosh. Oh, careful of your teeth. This is like National Geographic. Izzy don't care. Ew. Look at that thing, Carl.
She's destroying it.
I just sent Marilyn some pictures like, oh, look how much Izzy loves to play with the ball.
Unfortunately, after a little while, this is what playing is with Izzy.
This is what happens to all good things. Oh!
I think she'll be done as soon as that.
As soon as the
piece
squeaker,
gets
she
it.
likes to
Yeah.
just eat the squeaker thing out of it.
Or just, yeah.
Once she realizes that there's something in there that she can eat out of it, and
I don't know if she eats it, but yeah, I know what you mean. As soon as she gets the thing out, it's over. I bet she got it.
this tenacity right here.
Hey.
You did it!
Alright.
Still going? You still want to play with Izzy? You're still interested? Oh, don't get my hand out of there.
Alright, let me try to upload it.
Oh. Izzy, don't eat that thing. Don't eat that thing, baby. Don't eat it. I'm gonna go say hello to Carl.
No, she's still dismantling.
Oh, get out of the way. It's the best sound. I think we have a couple more hours of this.
Yeah.
That light coming from outside is really bright. Can you crop this?
I don't know what kind of editing can be done.
Okay, I'll just take a after picture and send that.
Can you stop it?
No.